Hello, lovely people. Welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm sharing with you the super immune boosting refreshing juice that my family loves so much, and I make this almost every week. But before I begin, let me show you guys this beautiful handmade tumbler from Lydiaandcoshop at Etsy. This is handmade, yes. So beautiful. She has a channel called Just Grateful. I'll leave a link to her channel and also to her shop. You can get a personalized tumbler just like this at a very low cost. She also has other beautiful handmade cups that you can choose from. And please kindly subscribe to her channel. Now for my ingredients, I have oranges, apples, carrots, pineapple. I also have ginger and lemon. You can also use lime for this. I'll take my fruit and vegetables to my sink and then thoroughly wash it very well. Yes, guys, you always need to wash them before you juice them. I will not be peeling my ginger, so I like to break it up in small pieces and then thoroughly wash that as well. I also wash my pineapple very well. I like to use the skin of the pineapple for hibiscus tea or sobolo. So you want to make sure that the pineapple leaves and the skin is very well washed. Now let's begin cutting the fruits and the vegetables, and I'll be sharing some of the health benefits of these fruits and vegetables. As we all know, apples are rich in fiber and antioxidant. It also promotes weight loss and improve brain health. The potassium in carrot can also help keep your blood pressure in check. Ginger can also help reduce inflammation, nausea, and also help fight germs in the body. And like I said, you can use lemon or lime to make this juice. Lemon or lime is packed with vitamin C, a powerful immune booster. Now, oranges, in addition to vitamin C, oranges have other nutrients that keep your body healthy. The fiber in oranges can keep blood sugar levels in check and reduce high cholesterol to prevent cardiovascular diseases. And the almighty pineapple. Pineapple is packed with anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. The vitamin C in pineapple juice can keep inflammation levels very low, guys. So pineapple is also a recommended fruit to be added to your juices. This is optional. You can keep the peel of the oranges and the pineapples for tea. Yes, I use mine for hibiscus tea or sobolo tea. And you can freeze it and use it as needed. Everything goes into the blender. I'll then add water to easily blend. If you're new to this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe. Hit that post notification so anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. I appreciate you. God bless you all. I'm all done blending my fruits and vegetables. I gave it a good mix, and then I'm straining everything in my nut milk bag. I'll try to leave a link to this nut milk bag in my description. You can also find this at amazon.com. Just type nut milk bag. There's so many varieties that you can choose from. I'm all done squeezing out the first batch, and then I'll repeat the squeezing process. So I'm using a cup to pour the juice into the nut milk bag, and then I'm just using my hands to just press on the nut milk bag to squeeze out the juice, guys. And this is so easy and so refreshing. This is one of my favorite juices. It has so many immune enhancing and anti-inflammatory properties, and it is incredibly delicious. This juice gives you so much energy, guys. I also got these bottles from Amazon. I'll try to leave a link in my description to these bottles, or you can just search for glass bottles, guys. And these glass bottles are very well cleaned before I used it to store my juice. You can also use any airtight containers to store your juice, whatever you have available. I'll now cover it up, and then I will be storing them in my refrigerator. This is our go-to everyday juice that we enjoy at home. My kids love having this juice for breakfast. You can enjoy this juice with ice or without ice, anyhow you want to enjoy it. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Thank you so much for staying until this time. Please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Like and comment. And until I see you in my next video, please stay blessed and stay safe. Bye guys.